Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, namaste, sat sri akal, hare rama, hare krishna, salam alaikum. I'm very confident all of you guys are thriving in euphoria there. And so am I. I'm just shining and thriving and feeling so infinite abundant in every single moment of my blissful life. So let's just start with a small chanting. Om Namah Shakti Shivaya. Om Namah Shakti Shivaya. Om Namah Shakti Shivaya. Om Namah Shakti Shivaya. So munchkins, how you guys have been thriving there? It's already, I think, end of the week coming, right? I don't know when I'm posting this, but yes, it's coming. I think it's Friday today, and I don't follow days, date, time, unless there is a meeting or a shoot. Otherwise, I'm like, chill, be in the moment. Yeah. So today I'm talking about this wonderful thing, which is get married to it already. Get married already. So I love marriage. Wedding is amazing, and the thought and the subject that we are talking today is not about the ritual marriage, but I'm talking about the energetic marriage, the spiritual marriage, right? So you have an idea, you have an intention, you have a connection or multiple connections, you have um, a project you're going on, you have a partnership, business partnership, you have um, whatever, health commitments, health routines, practices. Everything first starts with an idea, right? First, the idea comes to you in your head, it pops up, and then you research about it, you study about it, you contemplate about it, and then you take inspired actions, and then you surrender, and then you manifest it, right? That's the process we have spoken about. But the subject what I'm talking about is like, now every time we know the process now, right? The idea came and we did the research, we contemplated, we chose to go with the idea, and then we did our whatever action need to be taken, and then surrendered and received the manifestation. So now, from what happens mainly, I understand where we get stuck is idea to aa gaya, hai na? And then we set an intention, and then we take inspired actions or whatever, forced action, depending on where you are in your journey. But after that, what happens? We struggle to receive it. Now it is in front of you, but you don't move towards that because you feel anxious, you feel overwhelmed, you feel doubtful, you question it. Is it so I wanted? Is it what I can do it? Is it what is for me? Is it too good to be true? So all those things start popping up because why it happens? Because we are not married to the idea yet, because we are not yet committed to the idea yet, because we are not nurturing and nourishing the idea yet. That's why it takes longer time for that to manifest. I always listen to it, and it is my own experience also, right? We do set an intention, plant a seed in our thought, and then do everything, and then we keep doing, like, why is it not manifesting? Why is it not happened yet? Why can't I see the results yet? Why is it taking so long? What else I can do? I should do more. Should I? It's just stupidity. It's not that you have to do more. Nothing to be done more. It's just that you've got to believe in your connection to the idea. Believe in your journey. Nurture and nourish it emotionally by feeling it, by living that in your visualization that we spoke in a previous video. By keep nourishing it, keep nurturing the idea, keep thinking it is already here. Start feeling that you are already living that idea in reality, right? You've spoken about it. So that is what is the marriage is all about. What is marriage all about? Love, companionship, partnership, friendship, building together, teamwork, understanding, intimacy, communication, connection, right? Personal development to team development. Together you develop, together you build, you complement, you become compatible, you become understanding, you expand together, you evolve together, you love each other unconditionally, you give into that connection every single moment. And it's not an effort, it's not a burden, it's just effortless, because you love the connection, you love being in that connection, you love the person, you love yourself being in that connection, you feel liberated being around that person. That's what is a marriage is all about. So marry that idea. Now I have written a script. That script what I write immediately when I am clear I want to go with it, first thing is I'm married to that script. That's my husband or wife, whatever you know, depending on your gender. For me it's like my partner, my companion, and we are compatible, we complement each other. The script and me, we work together. When I am doing something on the script itself shows so many points, so many ideas, so many perspective to me. It's like companionship. I'm in love with my script, the script is in love with me, you know. The creator and the creation has to be in love with each other. We have a connection, you know. We rendezvous together. When I read the script I feel, wow, Mona, you have written this. And the script, when I'm reading the script feels, I'm so grateful that I have been your creation and you're reading me, you are focusing on me, you're investing on me, you're indulging in me. It's about any idea, right? You have an idea, you want to start a company, or you have an idea, you want to be with a person, you love someone. So, or you have an idea that you want to go on a trip with your family. It's an idea. You have an idea that you want to join, you want to partner on a business level, or with a friend or whatever, with somebody, an acquaintance you connected with, you feel like you have good compatibility, you can come together and start business or whatever. It is your idea, it is your experience, it is your intention. So whatever you have an idea, it's your dream, your desires, your goals, your aspirations, your ideas and intentions. First thing first, once you're clear, you made a choice, this is what I want, get married to it already. Marriage, as I said, what do you define marriage as? Friendship, partnership, teamwork, compatibility, intimacy, you know, conversation, converse with the idea, reflect on it, and spend time with it, nurture it, nourish it, and you know, be intimate with it, be transparent with your idea, be vulnerable with your idea, you know, and talk to it. Give life to that idea, live it in your experience right now. Like, I want to win an Oscar. Like, I sit and I feel, oh, I'm receiving this Oscar. Wow, this is amazing. The Oscar is mine. We belong together. We are in love with each other. That Oscar award is in love with me. It's so blissful. You get the idea. So you got to get married to that idea. Become one with it. Marriage is becoming one, coming together, sharing and caring for each other while you're individually growing as a human being, as a consciousness. Same thing, when you say it's an idea, but it's a material, or it's an object, it's a thought, but it has life, because that idea is going to bring you so much of success, so much of abundance, so much of recognition, so much of fulfillment. So that idea is nothing but an extension of you. It is your reflection. It is you in outside of you, externally outside of you, right? A thought which is on a third dimensional level is a conscious intention of yours. It's your baby, right? Like, I love you, baby. Just say, just get married to the idea. Feel it, live it every single day. Get married to it already, and then it will start manifesting. The especially the journey of asking to receiving then becomes so effortless, because you are deeply, madly, passionately in love with your idea. Just fall in love with your idea, get intimate, sit with it, talk to it, feel it, live it. touch, like I feel I'm, the script is in my head, but I feel I'm reading it, I'm touching it, I'm smelling it, I'm watching it on screen, and I'm being recognized for that, and people are loving it. Theater में सब सीटी मार रहे, ताली मार रहे. You get it? It's like I'm already one with it. I'm married to it. That's what it is. Get married to that it already. That idea, any idea, everything. I want to eat. I just want to have dal chawal now. It's a desire you have. Get married to it. Like the dal chawal isn't mine. It's on the plate. I'm eating it. I'm feeling it. Oh, it's so fulfilling. Oh, it's so prosperous. So get married to it already. That's what about. I just wanted to add a little inspiration to your space today. Nothing much. Because I love getting married to all my ideas and all my desires and all my connections, all my partners. Collaboration. Marriage is all about companionship and collaboration, and that can only happen when there is a transparency, intimacy, understanding, friendship, foundation. Build a stable and strong foundation with every idea that you have for yourself in your life, including all connections, right? It's business, professional, social. You want to start a NGO, get married to that NGO. It's your husband, your wife. Treat it that way. Romanticize with it, and it will grow. It will grow, it will bring success, and it will manifest more than what you have expected. I'm talking from personal experience. I'm celebrating my success of everything that I'm doing because I'm married to all of them, So, whatever you guys want to ask and need any guidance, please write to me on my email ID and I will address to that. And that's what, I'm having fun and I'm enjoying my life, and I send love and light to all of you. Before I say this, Vidania, keep thriving, my munchkins.